Hi, my name is Abdul Hadi bin Abdul Wahab, just as a leader for this group. And for the project computer design, my project is alarm system using light sensor. So my groupmate is Amir Irfan bin Ghaffar, Muhammad Nukri Syafiq bin Muhammad, and Muhammad Zuhiman bin Mazlan. So I continue with sorry. So I continue with introduction. This is our system or project where I put the system in the box or drawer and play an alarm sound every time the system detect the presence of light. This use light sensor to able it to work. It will be in calm state in is dark. Is working primarily to warm or signal to someone. Uh, you can use it to protect your belonging and safety from stranger. As uh, as technology become more stylish and unique, more and more household and or company seem to buying the light sensor system. The desire to achieve more with less spread to security system where device such as light sensor, alarm system with light sensor provide a high level of security while taking up the little space and using less energy than older security system. So the problem statement is currently the security alarm system in Malaysia is not widely used by the Malaysian community. This due to high pension for some type of security system. Because of that, we propose security system that use light sensor because they are cheaper and easy to use. This is also prevent this security system in Malaysia from being easy hacked by aggression. This provide needed when there are criminal case going on. Finally, by doing this project, we hope help to product and evasion, security alarm system and affordable.
Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Mukashafiq bin Muhammad and my metric number is AA191164. And right now we are moving on to our objective of our project. And the first objective is we are being able to carry out a specific research project in the electrical and engineering field. The second one is we are be able to develop the electronic circuit using simulation tools to properly demonstrate the design works. The third one is we are be able to use Eagle software to build and generate a printed circuit board. And the fourth one is we are being able to produce an innovative product. And the last one is we are being able to capable of teamwork and problem solving skills. Now we are moving on to the next slide, which is the limitation of our project. There are 4 points, and the first one is we can only suggest design project and the system, but we cannot produce the real project. And the second one is we need to use at least 10 components to build the electronic circuits. The third one is we need to use our own idea to design the project and not allow to plagiarism from other groups. And the last one is we also not allowed to use SMD components based on project instructions. So that's all for me. I will pass the next presentation to my team members. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zuhiman bin Mazlan. My matrix number is AA191311. And for my part, I'm going to present about the result and the discussion of this project. So as you can see in the figure 4.0, this is our circuit design which we built in the software Proteus. why we choose Proteus? Because Proteus has a lot more features and than other software. So that's why we choose to build our circuit in Proteus first. So in the figure 4.0, we use about 10 component, which is battery, the switch, resistor, transistor, LED, buzzer, and of course our LDR. So as the LDR detect a certain amount of light, the LED will light up and the buzzer will also sound. So when there is not enough light detected by the LDR, the LED will not light up and the buzzer will not sound. So for figure 4.1, this is our circuit design which we built in the software Eagle. Moving on, from our design, we managed to come out with our bill of material, as you can see in figure 4.2. And for design rule check, we use Eagle software, and as you can see, there is no error in our design, which means our project is functioning good. And this is our truth table and graph, as you can see here. As you can see in the truth table, we use one input and we got two output. So this is our PCB. For figure 4.5 is all the component, which is the component, the wire connection, and also the ground. For figure 4.6 is the wire connection. And for figure 4.7 is our component layout on the PCB. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so right now I'm going to present to you guys about our computer aid and design group project for methodology. Methodology, we start with a block diagram of start, and then for the project assigned from the lecturer, brainstorming idea and picking the topic. Okay, and then we make a division of tasks. Okay, we divide the task from the group for the member of the group to do. Okay, and then we are going to making a schematic circuit, creating a logic circuit, and making a PCB design. Okay, and then we compiling the task and making a report, and then the project submission. Okay, and then the end. Okay, after that we go into the literature review. For the literature review, they have 81.7 case per 32,000 population in 2006 to 2020, up to 0.27%. From the previous year shows the house robbery report to be the highest per 32,000 population in Malaysia. So it shows that it need this kind of the project that use the light sensor to make sure in the Malaysia to decrease the population case. Okay, and this is because the Malaysia community is not exposed to the use of the security alarm. Okay, the third point is the thing is that people do not use security alarm because most of the security innovation use motion sensor, and the motion sensor is expensive, so people cannot get this kind of the alarm sensor because the price is so expensive. Okay, and the next one is the present of our group suggests the innovation of the alarm security using the light sensor. This is because the light sensor is more cheaper than the motion sensor. Okay, the 5 point is this reasonable because it is cheap and affordable. And the last point is the light sensor have also not been fully used in alarm system, causing a prevention data using this system. Okay, it's because in Malaysia there have not been widely used about this light sensor, so we have not have a data about this using widely. Okay, the conclusion is to our security system project that use light sensor is that we use light sensor to build an alarm system. It is designed by the sensor to detect the presence of the light to monitor security system, And the third one is it is designed by the sensor to detect the presence of light to monitor security system. Okay, they can also use the security system to fill the noise to keep their home safe. And next, we were able to develop electronic circuit to show design work properly using simulation tool. And you can see in the simulation tools, in this project we only use Multisync and Proteus software to simulate electronic network, and Eagle software to perform printed circuit design, so we can simulate all of the system. Okay, and finally we were able to complete this project with cooperation all of the member in hope of helping the whole community with this sensor alarm project. This is the computer aid and design. So I think that's all for our group. Thank you very much.